She know I'm richer than a motherfucker. Get on her knees, she's a bloodsucker. She roll up my blunts cause she know I love her. She gon' get on top, show me real love.
Yo, what's up guys, Benevolent. Today I'm gonna be showing y'all how to sound like 1300 Saint in this new drug EP that came out in August. Now, I know it's November, it's been a while since this came out, but I'm just now hearing this EP, and this song called Bloodsucker really caught my attention. I really like the presets on it, so I wanted to give you guys these presets. So I made this little cover for you guys, and I'm gonna show you guys how to sound like 1300 Saint. And by the way, tomorrow is my birthday. I know people think I look 30, but I'm turning 23 tomorrow, and I know that's old for some of you guys, but listen, bro, I'm still young, bro. I'm not unk, bro. But yeah, tomorrow is my 23rd birthday, and for my birthday, I'm gonna have all of my presets on benevolent.shop 50% off. So go check out my presets and go get what you want while it's on sale. But yeah, without further ado, for those of you guys that haven't heard this song, this is Bloodsucker by 1300 Saint.
Austin the fool, Austin the fool.
She know I'm richer than a motherfucker. Get on her knees, she's a bloodsucker. She roll up my blunts cause she know I love her. She gon' get on top, show me real love. She show me real love. Anything you want, I give you the whole world. Shot it, she ride her diamonds with her old pearls. Shot it, she know she better than my old girl. Shot it, I got her walking like a diva. She gon' throw it down and make me a believer. I'ma pee one more time, it's a sequel. No, we see eye to eye, yeah, we equal. Shot it, your high like a fever. Shawty, your high like a fever. And you won't ever need a visa. Cause you know that I never leave, I need.
Okay, and now that you guys have heard the original song, as always, I'm gonna turn off all of these presets and show you guys what my raw vocals sound like.
She know I'm richer than a motherfucker. Get on her knees, she's a bloodsucker. She roll up my blunts cause she know I love her. She gon' get on top, show me real love.
So yeah, as you can hear, it's not great. But we turn on all these presets and this is what it sounds like.
She know I'm richer than a motherfucker. Get on her knees, she's a bloodsucker. She roll up my blunts cause she know I love her. She gon' get on top, show me real love. She show me real love. Anything you want, I give you the whole world. Shawty, she ride the diamonds with her own pearls. Shawty, she know she better than my old girl. Shawty, I got her walking like a diva. She gon' throw it down and make me a believer. I'ma hit one more time, that's a sequel. No, we see eye to eye, yeah, we equal. Shawty get hot like a fever. Shawty get hot like a fever. And you won't ever need a visa. Girl, you know that I'll never leave, I need you.
So yeah, those were my 1300 Saint presets, and there's nothing really crazy going on in this one. There was no automation clips or anything crazy. If you want these presets, all of them will be free. The only one that isn't free is this master preset, which for this song I did use my Best Waves master preset, which is on benevolent.shop for $10. But if you want this entire FLP that comes with everything you see on the screen, as well as a template ready to record in, and the Best Waves master preset, as well as my Best Stock master preset for those of you guys that don't have Waves plugins, all of that will be on my website for just $15. And actually, if you're watching this video as it's coming out today and tomorrow, everything will be 50% off. So you can get this FLP for like $8, I think, and then you can get my master preset. If you just want my master preset, you can get it for like $5. But if you guys just want these free presets, that is completely fine. All you have to do is go to the Discord, linked in the description, scroll down here to where it says Benevolent Presets, and the presets will be right here in this channel. And if you scroll up in this channel, there's hundreds of free presets in here, so go get yourself some presets and make some good music. Now I'm gonna show you guys my auto-tune settings. So for the main preset, this is what we got. This song is in the key of F sharp minor. We got a retune speed of 2 and a humanize of 49. And then for the ad-lib, it looks like we just copied over the settings. And for the other ad-lib, it looks like we also just copied over the settings. And for the other ad-lib, it looks like we just copied over the settings. So that's all the auto-tune settings. I am gonna solo out these ad-libs just so you can hear what's going on in the ad-lib track. So this is the main ad-lib, and it's just a nice sounding ad-lib, and I basically just copied over that ad-lib and then turned it down and changed a couple of effects to make this other ad-lib. And this one he uses for like high vocals and like
She ride the diamonds with her own pearls.
Stuff that you want to be further in the background. And then I also made this ghost verb preset. It's not exactly like the one he uses, because his has more like a ghost verb like as the vocal, like it sounds like the vocal is actually reversed. Mine doesn't really sound like that, but I just made my own ghost verb just so that you guys have something.
Shotty.
And like technically, if I move it back a whole bar, I think it'll work. the same way his works. So if you turn the ghost verb all the way up, so now like this will sound a lot better in the context of the song.
Shawty, she know she better than my old girl. Shawty, I gotta walk.
But it's hard to hear, and I think the ghost verb sounds better hitting later, and you could just leave this where it's at.
Shawty, I gotta walk in like a diva.
And it kind of just adds like more presence in the background, and you can make a whole bunch of different sounds. Like you could go crazy with this preset. Also, I don't really show this a lot, but I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how to record with these presets, because I feel like I've not done that in a while and some of you guys are confused. All you do is you drag in these presets and you just click up here where it says none, and you click on your input. And now you guys can hear me with the preset. It's literally that simple. And then you just press this record button and you record, and that's it. Like you don't have to do anything else. But this is that ghost verb, and you can literally just hit any notes you want with this.
She know I'm richer than a motherfucker. Get on her knees, she's a bloodsucker. She roll up my blunts cause she know I love her. She gon' get on top, show me real love.
And it just kind of adds some noise to the background. And if you turn the ghost verb, let's go back to the microphone for that. If you turn the ghost verb way up,
than a motherfucker. Get on her knees, she's a bloodsucker. She roll up my blunts cause she know I love her. She gon' get on top, show me real love.
you know, it just adds like those layers, and I think layers are really what makes a song. I mean, obviously you have to have decent vocals, but I feel like layers can save your songs if you don't have the greatest of vocals. So definitely experiment with layers. But yeah, I think that's all I got for this video. Again, tomorrow's my birthday, so go cop some presets. BNVLNT.shop. Everything's 50% off for all of today and all of tomorrow, so go get your presets while they're on sale. But yeah, like I said, that's all I got for this video. If it helped you out at all, please leave a like, comment which artist you want to see next, and subscribe if you're new. Thanks for watching. That's been it. Peace.